Today we're checking out the headlight covers with a carbon fiber look for the 2022 and newer Silverado 1500, excluding the custom Trail Boss and the WT. If you want to change up the front end style without dropping big money on new headlights, this is the kind of quick upgrade that gives your truck a more aggressive look in just minutes, so it's definitely worth looking into. These headlight covers are made to give your Silverado that high-end carbon fiber appearance up front, which instantly adds a sportier and more custom vibe without permanently modifying anything. They use a friction fit mounting style along with some pre-applied automotive grade adhesive, so you're getting a clean and secure fit that doesn't rattle or require any drilling or messing with factory lights. Another reason people pick these is the protection up front. Your headlights sit right in the line of fire for road debris, and a cover like this helps guard against rock chips, scratches, and everyday wear that can make your headlights look tired over time. You're also adding an aerodynamic aesthetic enhancement, which basically means that they're shaped to flow with the front end so it looks intentional and not like some aftermarket afterthought. When it comes to the construction on this, you're getting durable, modified acrylic material that's made to hold up to daily driving and the constant abuse that the front end of the truck sees. You're also getting that carbon fiber look finish for that high-end style, plus the pre-installed automotive grade adhesive is going to help keep everything locked down tight once it's installed. As far as the pricing goes on this, it's coming right in around the mid $100 price range. For a fast exterior upgrade that changes the look of the entire front end and adds a layer of protection at the same time, that's a solid deal, especially compared to spending big money on full headlight swaps just to get a different style. When it comes to the install on this one, it's going to get rated a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter. You can get this done in just 10 minutes of your time. Now let's check out an install video from one of our AmericanTrucks customers to see exactly how these get installed.
Wipe it down with alcohol. Get all the dust and debris. Clips right in. Raise it up, get it under there. Going to the other side. Wiping it down. These have 3 little clips. That way, once I get underneath there, get it nice and snug. It should stay.
All right, well that wraps up our review and install of the headlight covers with a carbon fiber look for the 2022 and newer Silverado 1500s, but excluding the custom Trail Boss and the WT. And for all things Silverado, keep it right here at American Trucks.